What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a very special day for me. I'm very excited about this. My first Mark 1 project car is has just arrived now from Citi Automotive. I'll actually explain once the car is offloaded a bit more about the background of the car. It's on terrain, but so we're going to rush it a bit. But I had to get this on camera because I don't want you guys to miss this. The car coming in here. I'm so excited about this. So it's actually raining now. Craig and I are actually standing underneath these wacky thing. We're just waiting for the rain to settle a bit so we can pull the car in. We have to pull the slant front out and the bucket out so we can put this car inside. What is up, you guys? So the car is finally inside now. We had to move everything here and it was raining a lot. But I'm excited for this project. So the reasoning behind this car is I've built a Mark 1 with my friend Chris, a VVL Mark 1, and now I wanted to build my own car for this class called GTI Challenge, Class C GTI Challenge on main circuit, and I would like to partake in that, but we'll see how the budget goes. So this car is going to be a build of a race car from scratch to finish. So it's going to be a complete strip down, step by step, cage, paint, seat install, motor, everything, gearbox, brakes, wheels, tires, literally everything. So yeah, that's the whole process behind this. So right now I'm going to get into stripping the car because it just arrived. So I want to take all the interior out and see like where we lie with rust and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, please subscribe. And then I hope you like this build series. I'm going to try upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday of this build series. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is what we are currently working with the car. The interior, the dash isn't too bad. It's obviously no windscreen. There's a few rust spots like over here and then on that side, but that's easy fix, nothing to really stress about. Has a 2-litre A5 in it currently, a 4-speed box, so I'm going to have to change that to 5-speed and obviously change up the motor for the class I want to run in. So like overall, like the paint is very bad, obviously, as you can see, but like that's a simple fix, I would say. I have my light over there just to show you guys a bit more what we're working with. So here's more stuff that we're working with. It's not really anything fancy. It's not fancy at all. It's a very dirty looking car that will be fixed definitely. But this is the process that I want you guys to see me go through, building this car from scratch all the way through to a race car. So the car is pretty rough as is. I've taken the bonnet off already. Yeah, that's obviously got a 2-litre A5, like I said. It's a 4-speed box. The car is very rough, but it's definitely something that I'm super excited to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this process just as much. I decided to leave the slant front and build a Mark 1. So yeah, I think the first thing that we're going to do on this car is just take out all the stuff that is in the car. Like I see there's a few things there and the back's pretty full with shit, so I'm just going to clear out the car and then we can see where we go from there. Okay, well, let's start taking out whatever we find in this car. I'm just going to go through the whole process with you guys. Just finding a whole bunch of like odds and ends. There's a battery bracket and like a whole bunch of random stuff. So I'm just going to go through. Jeepers, this is rubbers galore. I don't know what these rubbers are for. I think they said it was for a Mark 4 or something like that, but I'm not exactly sure what exactly I'm supposed to use this thing for. That's not so much. There's a lot of shit in this car, my word. Well, at least there's a lot of rubber. I don't even know what this is. So there's a lot of rubber that I'm just gonna. So now it's starting to look a bit cleaner, at least. Still filthy, but cleaner filthy. So I think that'll work. There's so much stuff under here. Oh, okay. Let me rather go get a black bag, then I can sort everything out here. I'm just keeping all these nuts and bolts because you never know what you might need it for. And the buckets. Okay, so I'm gonna keep all of that, and then I'm gonna get a black bag so I can throw the rest of this stuff away. don't need that. I'm just gonna clean this up. Throw some of the stuff away. More messy stuff, so I don't need that. Damn, how much better does this already look? Geez, just cleaning out a few things. Car is looking a lot better. Now I must take out all the interior, the seats. So I'm gonna try and get the car completely stripped today. Well, not stripped, just the interior out. I probably won't be able to, so it will be in the next video as well. And then on the next video I would like to get the motor out, but that'll probably be the third video. Because it's like, it seems like it's actually like quite a bit to do. But I'm gonna try my best to get everything out now, and then we'll see how far we get. As I was coming to take the seat out, I just wanted to check beforehand. I see that it's already like no bolts there. Normally there's a bolt with a little there's like a bolt that goes through. It's supposed to go on the engine so that it doesn't slide past it, but I see there's already nothing here, and I just pulled it back and I saw this just pulled out immediately. I don't know if it's different on the old spec, because on the new spec it has like a bolt thing here, so I don't know if that's different, but I think the seat just should be able to slide out now from the back. So I'm gonna check now and then we'll see if it's out. And just like that, the seat's out. All I have to do is literally slide it back off the rail, off the back there, and the seat's sorted. As you can see, it's completely loose. Now all I have to do is drag it out the back of the car. Okay, so both seats are out the car now. That was a proper mission because it wasn't done, or it wasn't slid in properly. The actual pin was hooking and didn't want to come out, so I couldn't get the seat out. But the seat's out now. Sorry if I look sweaty on camera. It's flipping so hard doing this now. But both seats are out now, so I'm gonna start stripping the roof lining and the floor, the carpets, and we'll see where we get from there. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is take off this. Under here, it's just, if you can see properly there, it's just a few stars under there, and then that'll come off, and then I'll do the exact same on this side. So take those off. We start from the back of the car forward, and then we'll take the seat belts off, and whatever the other seat belts, and then we can start stripping the roof lining, take all the rubbers off, and so on. So yeah, project Racecar is underway. Damn, I didn't realize taking a car apart was going to be so difficult. I thought it would be easy, straight bolt off and it's done. But I've only done the two rear seat belts and like that seat bracket thingy. So it's going to be a long process, but I'm so glad that I'm doing it. So just to show you guys, I've done this so far. Taken that off there, that one off there. The seat belts are laying there. Gonna keep all the bolts in here. I won't need it, but I'm just going to put it in there to be safe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rubbers off, but because I want to reuse the rubbers, I'm going to take them off and then write RR, so like left rear, and RR for right rear, so that I know that where the rubbers go. It's not, even if you don't do it, it's not difficult to figure out, but I'm just going to do it just for like peace of mind, so that I know when I put it back in, all the things go in the right spots. So I'm going to just show you what I mean by that. So like, obviously the back one is going to be normal, like that'll be normal, but I'll just write RR on the rubber itself, and then when I put it back in I'll know. But obviously this is the boot, so this is not going to be rocket science, but like for the doors for instance. So that's what I'm going to do now. So what I meant by, see, left front, then it goes left rear, then right rear, then over here it's front right. So yeah, okay, so where I am now is I've taken out the bottom, the top must still come off. So to get the center console out, there is, I don't know if you can see, but over there is a star, and there should be another one here, yeah, to get the center console out. So I'm going to do that so that I can pull the flooring out properly, because I tried a shortcut and just cut it, but obviously I want it to look proper, so I'm just do that now and then we can carry on. What's up guys, so just a little update here. Off camera I struggled to get the front out because front carpet out because of the dash, so it goes behind the dash in the center and I was struggling hectic to get it out, so I left that off camera. But I've got all the carpets out now. I just need to do the roof lining and then I think we'll call it a day. And then the next video, it might either be the motor getting taken out, the 2-litre valve getting taken out, or it might be the cleaning up the flooring properly, like taking all the leftover dust, fluff and stuff, because I'll show you now. There's a lot of fluff and leftover materials from the carpet, so it's currently looking like this. So it's pretty decent, considering the car arrived today and I've done this in a couple of hours. So the car, as you can see, it's pretty empty. I've gutted it. It's just the roof lining I'm doing now. And then I don't know if you can see over there, but it's that's leftover carpet and stuff from the interior, in that corner as well. So tomorrow I'll be doing, well, the next video I'll be doing that, which will be tomorrow. It'll either be that or taking out the 2-litre valve, but for now we're gonna go ahead and start taking the roof lining out. I've already started a little bit here, but I'll take the rest out now. So that'll be the video for today guys. So the interior is completely out the car. Obviously I need to clean up all the small things like I said, but at least that's done. The roof lining's done. I've obviously taken all the rubbers off. Tomorrow I'll probably, like I said, fix up the flooring with all the leftover carpet, or it will be the motor coming out. I'm not 100% sure which one I want to do yet. The car is going to be a long process, but I want to do it step by step, and I want you guys to see every detail I do to the car. I think this 2-litre valve was built recently, so I think the motor will be fine. We might strip it when it comes apart, we might not. But we definitely need to put a 5-speed box in, a race box, and then car's going to go full cage. So this is the breakdown practically for the car, will be to completely strip the inside, clean it, spray the inside, spray the outside, fix all the rust, the small rust spots, get a 5-speed box, suspension, wheels, a full cage, and then I already have my race seat over here, and then bolts. So it's going to be a lengthy project, but I also get to race the car, which I'm going to take you guys along with as well, the progression of the car and stuff. So I hope it's something that you guys are interested in. It's something that I enjoy building, and like I said, I have built a MK1 before, I just never documented it, and now I want to. So yeah, I hope it's something that you guys enjoy, and if you did, please subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.